Have you ever tried to grease a grease joint and couldn't? Now you can, using the Grease Joint Rejuvenator. The Grease Joint Rejuvenator removes old hardened grease, dirt, and debris from clogged up bearings on fleet, automotive, farm, construction equipment, and more. While most people think the problem is in the fitting, simply changing the fitting in most cases does not fix the issue. That is because the blockage is most often located in the joint itself. The Grease Joint Rejuvenator works by injecting a light viscosity oil into a grease joint through pressure generated by the tap of a hammer, liquefying the old grease or dirt and forcing it out the other end of the joint. Once the clog has been removed, simply grease your joint as normal using your grease gun until all the old debris and injected oil are pushed out. The Grease Joint Rejuvenator provides a faster and more efficient solution than fishing mechanics wire, using heat, or disassembling